Welcome back. An extraordinary exhibition cum sale is on at the Gujarati Samaj School in Madgaon. Different types of products are displayed by the differently abled children. The exhibition will go on till Sunday. Encourage the children by contributing to the noble cause.
This Diwali, let's contribute to a noble cause. For the second time, the vocational section students of Gujarati Samaj School in Madgaon have displayed their art. This is an exhibition cum sale by the students. They have displayed various articles and handmade products in the exhibition. There are different types of files, greeting cards for Diwali and Christmas, earthen lamps, mobile pouches, handkerchiefs and lots more. Chairman of Gujarati Samaj School Ashok Saglani said that their aim is to bring forth the creativity of the students.
The idea is all the students have something or the other in them, but unfortunately the ideas have not been tapped, and our effort would be to tap those talents which are hidden in these students.
The objectives of the organizing this exhibition cum sale to create the awareness in the society and to enhance the work habits in the mentally challenged child, so that we can rehabilitate them in the open and the sheltered workshop.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Lack of regular international matches has been a big hurdle in the development of rugby in India. According to the captain Nasser Hussain, India does not play as many international matches as they should. This has resulted in a slow development of the entertaining sport. He also spoke to Prudent on the sidelines of inauguration of Goa Rugby Football Union's office in Taligaon.
Like, we play 2 internationals a year, which is not enough to give the team that much exposure or give them an opportunity to climb up the ladder in terms of rankings. Just to give you an idea, we started playing our first international in 1998. Since then till today, we played about 32 test matches. A big rugby playing nation will probably play that many in a year. So that's the difference. If we play more games which have some sort of ranking system to it, there's more likelihood of us moving up the ladder, getting more exposure, improving.
Okay. Is it like there are not enough internationals on the world circuit, or India does not participate on them?
It's a little of both. There isn't that many in Asia, and India doesn't participate in all of them. It's basically a catch-22. It comes down to funding, to support, sponsorship, and resources mainly. So if we had the right amount of backing and support, I'm sure we could even move up, and in the next 5 years look at being in the top 5 in Asia.
Okay. Ideally, how many internationals you feel then India should play in order for our ranking to consistently become better?
Well, currently we play 2 in a year. If we could move to 5, 6, okay, which is not asking a lot, but if we could do that, there will be a huge improvement in the performance of the team and the way we approach the internationals at the Asian level.
Okay.
Nasser has been a pillar of strength in the Indian rugby scenario, having started his career in 1998 with India's inception in rugby.
We've mainly played on the Asian arena, where we are up against the big guns like Japan, Hong Kong, who are almost on the fringe of the World Cup. Japan is the only Asian country that's made it to the World Cup on a few occasions now. But there's a huge difference. It's a professional sport at that level. We're still an amateur sport playing at the highest level. So that needs to change, and it will happen. It's all a question of getting the right support, getting corporates to look at it in a long-term perspective, helping out. We've had a few who have been backing us. Also at the same time, we've got to look within India in terms of development. So just Goa Rugby Football Union, a huge step for development in the state. Just having a dedicated ground now in Goa is going to do so much for the development, as well as we've already allotted an international tournament here, so it's just going to grow from here. So it's a huge boost to the sport in Goa and in India.
Are there any other dedicated grounds in India for rugby?
There is one which is predominantly in the army base, so it's in Ahmednagar. But besides that, we've got a few clubs like the Bombay Gymkhana and CCFC that offer their grounds for a certain season. So it's about 4 or 5 months in a year.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Shan from Taligaon.
With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.